Hi students, in this video we will discuss about linear search using recursion. So this linear search is same as our previous linear search. Same if the key element is, let us assume if the key element is 50 and the list of elements are 30, 20, 50, 10, 25. So first it will search with the first element. If it is equal we will stop, otherwise we will compare with the second element. So this process will be continued until the search element is found or till the end of the list. So in recursion what happens here is, so it will be compared with the, in recursion first it will compare with this element. If it is not equal, the index value will be increased till the end of the list. So once if the index value is greater than the size of the array, then search element is not found. Here you can see the code. Here it will take 4 parameters. The first parameter is an array, second parameter is the index, third parameter is the size of the array, and the last parameter is the key, the element what we want to search. Here if index is greater than n, so index number 0 is, that is initially it is 0, then n represents the number of elements. If index is greater than the number of elements, so means the process has been completed till the end of the list, so -1 will be returned. If the index value is less than n, then we will compare with key equal to a of index. So if it is equal to the first element, then return that index. If it is equal to second, index of that element will be returned. So if it is also not equal, that is if it is not, key is not matching with the a of index, then index value will be increased. That is linear search of a comma index plus 1. The second argument is index plus 1, and the third argument is n, the number of elements, and the key. So this will be returned. Here you end with semicolon. Again this function will be called with these parameters. This process will be repeated until the search element is found or index is greater than n. So the returned value we need to store in one variable and we need to display that onto the screen. Now let us see the execution of this program. Now here this is the function linear search. If index greater than n, return -1. If key equal to a of index, return index. Otherwise return linear search of a comma index plus 1 comma key will be called. Passed as parameter for calling the function. Here this is calling a linear search. A comma 0 is the index of the first element, n is the number of elements, key. If I returned value will be stored in I, that is the index will be returned. If I not equal to -1, search element found at index, which index it is found, that will be displayed. Then otherwise not found. Then accepting the element, accepting n elements from the user, key element, then calling the function. Okay, now let me run this program. So enter the array size 5. I will enter the elements as 30, 20, 50, 10, 25. So enter the search element 50, display search element found at second index. Now let us run this program once again. So enter the size of the array 5. The elements are 30, 20, 50, 10, 25. Enter for search for 15. Display search element not found. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in next.